Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best 5K Video Camera Camcorder in 2024.
Top 1.
5K Video Camera Camcorder, 10x Optical Zoom 48MP UHD 30fps Vlogging Camera for YouTube. Photography Recorder Camera with 270 degrees 3 rotation screen, microphone, stabilizer, remote control. UHD 5K 30fps and 48MP camcorder. Our video camera uses the latest sensor and supports 5K, 30fps, video resolution and 48.0MP image resolution. Equipped with a 270-degree rotatable 3.0-inch IPS touchscreen to capture every detail when shooting videos and photos. The high resolution is ideal for professional video production, especially for projects with large screens and high-quality editing. 10x Optical Zoom. Experience superior clarity with the 10x optical zoom feature of our 5K camcorder, enhancing image quality and depth of field without sacrificing detail. With up to 10x optical zoom, effortlessly capture every detail, whether near or far, ensuring your shots are always crisp and vibrant.
Top 2.
5K Video Camera Camcorder UHD 48MP 60fps Wi-Fi Vlog Camera for YouTube. 10x Optical Zoom Camcorders with remote control, handheld stabilizer, microphone, 2 batteries, large aperture, 64GB memory card. 5K UHD video camera and multifunction and 64GB card. True 5K 60fps video resolution, max 48MP image resolution. 3-inch capacitive touchscreen with 270-degree rotation, self-timer, webcam function, pause function, HDMI output, etc. Especially equipped with a large aperture, it is very suitable for professional video and photo demand. What you see is what you get. Comes with a 64GB memory card to plug and play. It's a gift for friends, family members to record their special moments and travel time. 10x Optical Zoom. 10x Optical Zoom maintains the same resolution throughout the zooming process. The lens physically adjusts to change the magnification, ensuring there is no loss of detail or clarity in the captured image. Optical zooms are the
Top 3.
5K Video Camera 56MP Camcorder 16x Digital Zoom Vlogging Camera Wi-Fi 3 270 degrees rotation touchscreen recorders for YouTube with 2 batteries 64G SD card remote control, microphone, lens hood. 5K and 56MP video camera with 64G card. The video camera delivers UHD 5K video and 56MP photos, giving you a stunning visual experience. Paired with a 3.0-inch 270-degree rotation touchscreen, you can shoot at any angle. The digital camera supports 16x digital zoom, making it easy to capture distant scenery. Comes with a 64G SD card to plug and play. This handycam is an ideal camera for meeting wedding, parties, travel. IR night vision and Wi-Fi function. The vlogging camera with IR night vision technology that can helps illuminate dark environments, take clear white/black photos or videos in the dark. The vlog camcorder supports Wi-Fi function and comes with 2 large capacity rechargeable batteries, which can recording while charging, extending the shooting time, suitable for beginners, teenagers, YouTubers.
Top 4.
6K camcorder video cameras 64MP IR night vision vlogging camera for YouTube 18x digital zoom 4.0-inch touchscreen video camera with Wi-Fi, microphone, stabilizer, remote control, 64GB SD card. UHD 6K 64MP camcorder and 18x digital zoom. This video camera supports 6K UHD video recording, 64MP photo capture, and powerful 18x digital zoom, presenting clearer and more detailed images, allowing you to record every precious moment seamlessly. 4.0-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi function featuring a 4.0-inch Ultra HD touchscreen. This camera provides an easy and intuitive operation experience. With Wi-Fi, app, control function, you can shoot, set up, live preview, and playback anytime, anywhere. Additionally, equipped with a 2.4G 360-degree wireless remote control with a sensing distance of up to 20 meters, it offers convenient operation, allowing you to enjoy the joy of shooting to the fullest. LED fill light and IR night vision. This camcorder is equipped with LED fill light for illumination during shooting and night vision function, enabling clear.
Top 5.
6K camcorder video cameras 64MP IR night vision vlogging camera for YouTube 18x digital zoom 4.0-inch touchscreen video camera with Wi-Fi, microphone, stabilizer, remote control, 64GB SD card. UHD 6K 64MP camcorder and 18x digital zoom. This video camera supports 6K UHD video recording, 64MP photo capture, and powerful 18x digital zoom, presenting clearer and more detailed images, allowing you to record every precious moment seamlessly. 4.0-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi function featuring a 4.0-inch Ultra HD touchscreen. This camera provides an easy and intuitive operation experience. With Wi-Fi, app, control function, you can shoot, set up, live preview, and playback anytime, anywhere. Additionally, equipped with a 2.4G 360-degree wireless remote control with a sensing distance of up to 20 meters, it offers convenient operation, allowing you to enjoy the joy of shooting to the fullest. LED fill light and IR night vision. This camcorder is equipped with LED fill light for illumination.
Top 6.
Ordro 5K video camera camcorder Wi-Fi night vision vlogging camera for YouTube. 4K camera 56MP 18x digital zoom video camera with remote control, 32G SD card and 2 batteries. 5K 56MP video camera camcorder. This 5K camcorder supports up to 5K 25fps video recording and 56MP high-resolution photos, excels in video and image processing. It also supports Wi-Fi function, 18x digital camera, time-lapse function, PC camera function, USB/HDMI output, touchscreen, remote control, pause, night vision function, built-in noise reduction, fill light, AF, anti-shake, and recording while charging. Beginners can use these features to record their own personal video blogs, course recordings, conferences, video chats, travel photography, and live streaming. Wi-Fi and webcam camera. The Ordro 4K video camera supports Wi-Fi connection. Please download the app in advance and connect your smartphone. Top 7. 5K video camera camcorder, 48MP UHD Wi-Fi IR night vision vlogging camera for YouTube. 16x digital zoom touchscreen vlog camera with external microphone, lens hood, stabilizer, remote, 2 batteries. Upgrade 5K 30fps 48MP video camera. Upgrade 5K 30fps 48MP video camera. The latest 5K camcorder supports 5K 30fps, capturing 48 megapixel image resolution and recording 5K video. This 5K camcorder supports 16x digital zoom. Press the W or T button to zoom in and out of the picture, and the YouTube-specific camcorder features a 3-inch, 270-degree touchscreen so you can see what you're recording, making it the perfect feature for self-blogging. Wi-Fi connection and IR night vision. Download the iSmart DV2 app to search Wi-Fi and connect this camcorder with Android/iOS smartphones or tablets. You could remote view, capture image and video shooting, transfer image/videos to cell phone. Press OK button to run or close night vision mode. Lens hook and handheld stabilizer and remote control. This video camera 5K comes with lens hook to block.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.